Now that we've discussed what the Excel interface is and what it consists of, I'm going to go in and talk about how we can actually customize it. So for starters, I'm going to show you how to customize the quick access toolbar. There's 3 different ways to do this. I will show you all 3 just so that you get a little bit more familiar of how to add commands to your quick access toolbar. Now the first way, we can click this drop down menu. Now these are just a few commands that we can easily access. For example, if you do a lot of printing, put quick print up here. As you can tell, a printer icon appeared, so anytime we want to print, all we have to do is click that icon. Now another option to do is anywhere in your ribbon, let's say if we go to the data tab, you can right click any command. For example, I'm going to click the highest to lowest sort command. I'm going to right click it and click add to quick access toolbar. Now you can see that icon popped up there. And then the last way is go to File, Options, Quick Access Toolbar. Now you have a list of all the commands that Excel has. Right now we're viewing popular commands that are most frequently used, or you can drop down and go to All Commands. And this will show you all the commands Excel has, and you can add anything up there to that Quick Access Toolbar. But for now, I'm just going to go to Popular and maybe put Sum, and then click Add. And when I click OK, now the Sum command is up there in the Quick Access Toolbar. Being able to customize the Excel interface can actually save you a lot of time depending on your workflow. So instead of going through the tabs and finding the commands, you can just put it right up there in the Quick Access Toolbar for easy access. Now if you want to remove these commands up here, there's a few ways. I'll show you both. You can either right click and say Remove from Quick Access Toolbar, or you can go to File, Options, Quick Access Toolbar, and click on one of the commands that you want to remove. For example, I'm going to click Sort Descending, Remove, Quick Print, Remove, and click OK. Now our Quick Access Toolbar is back to default.